Greg West. I joined the Navy in December 12th, 1982, and I was in for 11 and a half years, got out December 20th, 1994. I was in the VA one day and saw the flyer for Doodle to Fine Art, and I thought that sounded interesting, and it said that, they could give you art supplies. If it wasn't for the art, that's what really got me to the more stable place, the stable place I am now. The art just gives me a nice distraction, and actually I'm quite proud of some of the stuff I do, so it gives me a little bit of self-esteem. It hasn't erased 58 years of me, but I really loved having the opportunity to stretch my ability and to accomplish, to have an imagination of the opportunities